Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today me and Austin are going to do an unboxing / taste test of some of our VeganCuts snack box products that came today. Austin has already taken it out of the box because, you know, germs and shit. So let's go ahead and get started. The card that came today says that this box supports Willoughby and Friends at Stardust Animal Sanctuary. So there's Willoughby the rooster. He's a fine looking rooster. So let's get started. The first snack on top is Plant Snacks Sea Salt. They are cassava root chips. What's it say about them?
So it says the same thing.
Oh. So here's what that looks like. Let's give these a try. You want to try one too, friend? They smell interesting.
What are they made out of?
Cassava root? I don't mind the taste though. I like that.
They taste familiar.
Oh, they have sesame seeds in them.
That's what
it tastes like. I like those. So the next thing we're not going to actually try right now, this is a protein powder from Earth Chimp. Did you just throw a toy at her?
No.
It's the Vegan Protein Super Blend. It's got protein, superfoods, and probiotics. What flavor is this?
We
Chocolate.
Try that in a smoothie.
Yeah, that looks like it's going to be good in a smoothie. I'm only basing that opinion on the fact that the packaging's cute. And I like that it's like a paper container and not a plastic one. That's really nice. So I'm excited to try that. Keep an eye on my vegan food Instagram, Amanda's Vegan Noms, for if I like this or not.
You're too short.
Hunch.
It hurts my back.
The next thing, we've actually, no, the one we got before had peanut butter, not almond butter.
I thought it was almond butter.
Did it?
I'm pretty sure it was almond butter.
Well, apparently we've had this before in a box, so that's a little annoying. This is something we've already had, but we're also not going to try this. It is the Split 2 Great Foods 1 Fast Pack. We've got almond butter and blueberry spread.
Blueberry,
it was probably a different fruit.
Yeah,
maybe they just released blueberry or something, so they put it in the box. So not going to try this, but it seems interesting enough. So the next item we have is a beverage by Green Beverages, or Aloe. I don't know. It's an aloe vera drink. So it's organic, lychee flavored. So I'm kind of nervous about this. I feel like it's going to be gross. But let's
Aloe for Life, I think is the brand name.
Aloe for Life?
Yeah.
Give it a try.
Aloe, I think it's the type of drink.
I can't open it. Oh wait, I got it.
I don't like aloe drinks. It's too slimy.
Like. Yeah, it already looks like it's going to be slimy.
It's going to be slimy.
It smells nice.
It's like chunks of slime in them is usually with them.
That's not bad. It's a little too sweet for me. I don't think I'd drink something that sweet on the regular. But actually, it's not bad.
Okay.
You don't like it at all. I'll finish that later. But I wouldn't buy that in the store. Next item we have, this is going to be Austin's jam. It is from You Love. It's a brownie cookie. Those words together sound awesome. So let's open this up. It's a nice resealable package. I like that. Although, with him in the house, it doesn't need to be resealable. He's gonna eat them all. They smell chocolatey. They're a little dry.
Not bad though.
I don't like them. I wouldn't purchase those. I'm very picky about baked goods though, because I don't really eat a lot of baked sweets or anything. So when I do, I want them to taste exactly how I want them to taste.
Not bad.
You like them?
I'd probably eat them. I don't have to buy them, but I think I'll eat the rest of them.
Next we have a few bars, it looks like. We have Blake's Seed-Based S'more Snack.
There's a lot of bars.
Yeah, I don't think we should open all these bars. Love Good Fats Chewy Nut Coconut Macadamia.
I'm not a big fan of macadamia nuts.
And then we have Scout Organic Cherry Chocolate Protein
cherries.
Bar. So I'll be having those ones, is what I'm hearing. And then Good to Go double chocolate soft baked bar.
That sounds good.
You want to try that one? We'll just try one of these.
Yeah, we can try that one. Or do you want to try something different if we just had chocolate?
It doesn't matter to me.
Yeah, so we try this one.
Yeah. Although honestly, all of these bars to me sound really good. These are probably the most interesting assortment that we've gotten before. There's always like tons of peanut butter bars in these boxes, and I hate peanut butter, so it's like I don't even try them.
These are portioned.
They're portioned. They look like little soft baked brownies or cookies. It'll focus. Oh, dropped it.
That's pretty good.
Mm.
You like them?
Not for me.
Why don't you like them?
They're kind of flavorless. I'm not getting any kind of flavor in this. I don't think I would purchase that again. It's not terrible. It's like it doesn't taste bad. It just doesn't taste like anything to me.
Tastes like sweet.
Mm.
A little chocolate. You taste a little bit of chocolate.
And we have some granola from Bakery on Main, the organic Happy Granola Sprouted Blueberry Flax. And it's like in a nice individual portion. That looks good. I mean, do we really need to taste granola? I feel like we don't need to taste granola.
Up to you.
No. Y'all know what granola tastes like. And it's not resealable, so that makes me nervous.
It's like a handful of granola anyway.
Yeah. Well, do you want to taste it? We can taste it.
Okay.
And the last thing in the box is from Rind. It's called Strawberry Perry Blend. No, Strawberry Blend. That's hard to say. I guess it's just fruit. Dried fruit. Oh, whoo. It smells good. It is just dried fruit though. It's strawberries and pears. You don't want the strawberry? You can have a pear.
Both.
Oh my god,
I'm
it's
not
like
a
10
big fan
million
of dried
strawberries.
fruit.
I don't like how hard it is to chew, but the strawberries are really good.
It tastes good.
Really good.
I just like the texture.
Mm. Should I show you guys the packaging?
It's got apples in it too.
Oh.
Apples, pears, and these are apples.
Oh. It's tasty. Yeah, pears, apples, strawberries.
I think the circles are apples.
I like the strawberries.
Want to try a piece of apple?
Yeah. The apples are less exciting.
Here's pear.
Let me try the pear.
Doesn't really taste like anything that's tougher.
Yeah, I don't think drying pears really is a good idea.
I don't like dry fruit to begin with.
Pears are so mild in flavor to begin with that I feel like drying them is almost pointless because the flavor nearly disappears. This is cool. I'm excited to try this marshmallow bar. I think that sounds good. But I'm not going to open like 4 bars and have 4 bars partially open and not have anything to hold them closed with. I think I like the chips best, but I don't think that surprises you, does it? Because it's the only savory thing in here. I'm a savory person. What do you think? What's your favorite? The cookies?
No.
The bar?
I think I might like the chips the best too, to be honest with you.
Yeah. Alright, so there you have it. We like these cassava root chips the best. Although, that being said, we didn't try everything. I hope you enjoyed our unboxing. If you get the VeganCuts box, let me know what your favorite snack this month was. Very curious. And otherwise, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!